Essay on World Environment Day Introduction. Every year, several countries around the globe celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June to raise awareness about the impacts human activities make on the environment and how they can be minimized. United Nations is the main body that governs the global observance of World Environment Day. Why is World Environment Day celebrated? Environment is the most precious gift to humans and also to every living creature, plant, etc. on the planet. It is very important that every element of the environment, air, water, soil, trees, forests, oceans, etc. remain in its pristine and undisturbed form so as the planet and the life it supports could continue till ages. Sadly, the environment today is being damaged by a number of human activities including deforestation, mining, industrialization, etc. It is to reduce this damage due to human interference with the environment. The United Nations came up with the idea of observing World Environment Day to raise awareness on environmental protection. How to participate? There are several ways in which you can participate in World Environment Day celebrations as given below. Stay active on social media, give your opinion and inspire others for cause. Make a commitment to yourself that the optimal use of natural resources like water. Use less electricity and avoid burning of fossil fuel, petroleum, etc. Show your concern by planting a new tree in your backyard or in the neighborhood. Conclusion. World Environment Day must be celebrated by all the countries around the globe in order to make human activities less damaging to the environment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.